been an hour. Where is this train? It's arrived ages ago. And I think it's waiting for B158, but where is it? Red signal, all the way down there. No idea where it is. Sheesh. Maybe I'll just pack up and go home. Oh, come on. Really? I'm at the wrong place, wrong time, every single time. Still waiting for this dumb L160 to come by. Man, luck is way down today. I was just about to leave as well. Man, I'm depressed. Alright, I got some activity on my scanner. They're waiting to get into the yard. And they, what's taking them so long? Where's B158? Now this is just ridiculous. Why are the signals not on? Come on. This is awful. This is what happens when you decide not to go home early. L160 still way down there. And of course there's a Steelers game happening right over there. Man, those people watching the game must be having so much fun. Until the Steelers lose yet again. Where are you? Come on. This is ridiculous. Hey, a T. First moving train all day. Sheesh. Lame. It's a violation. I don't know if you can tell, but L160 is still way down there. I've been waiting for it for almost an hour and a half. And it still is just sitting there. Why? Why did I have to spend my afternoon this way? This almost always happens too. Oh my gosh. Come on, say something. You're supposed to be helpful. Where are you, CSX? Still no train. Guess I'll try my luck on Norfolk Southern. Well, I'm at the Norfolk Southern tracks. 2 yellow signals. Man, maybe I'll actually catch something. I mean, yellow just means go slow, right? It's been 3 hours since I got here. And as you can see, still no train. This is ridiculous. I'm going back to CSX. Finally, a green signal. Like, I've waited forever for that. Like, at least it's got to be something good. So L160 finally decided to get a move on. There it is, going extremely slow. Hopefully it'll be here soon. Here it is, finally coming. I waited 7 hours for that.